Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 3, Penpot. 395 new stars today. Penpot gives product teams full ownership of their design infrastructure through self-hosted, open-source tooling that eliminates vendor lock-in and third-party dependency risks. It uniquely bridges design and development by natively expressing layouts as CSS, SVG, and HTML, while its design tokens engine serves as a single source of truth for design systems at scale. The platform's Open API and MCP server enable programmatic, bidirectional workflows between design files and production code, making it a technically compelling alternative for teams that need design tooling to integrate directly into their CI/CD pipelines. Number 2, ai-hedge-fund. 109 new stars today. This project simulates a multi-agent trading system where distinct investment philosophies, from deep value to growth, are encoded as collaborating LLM agents, giving you a sandbox to study how AI can decompose and debate financial decisions. Instead of a black box model, it makes the reasoning process transparent and auditable, which is critical for understanding failure modes before trusting any automated strategy. The architecture is designed to evolve into a persistent, back-testable fund, making it a practical starting point for developers exploring agentic workflows in finance without risking real capital. Number 1, skills. 1,679 new stars today. This is a collection of Claude Code agent skills extracted from mattpocock's daily engineering workflow, designed to fix the persistent misalignment between what developers intend and what coding agents actually build. Each skill is a small, composable script you can audit and modify, giving you process control that monolithic frameworks like GSD or SpecKit take away. It installs in 30 seconds, works across multiple local agents and issue trackers, and represents a real engineer's pragmatic alternative to vibe-coded chaos.